Hello everyone, welcome to How Fix It. In this video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade or install RAM in laptop. To disassemble you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, Torx T5 screwdriver. Also I recommend using a magnetic mat in repair process and laying out each screw step by step during disassembly, which is especially useful in case of this laptop, and it is very important not to confuse them during assembly. In the description I'll add a link where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. This laptop supports DDR4 RAM. The maximum amount of RAM is 32 GB. In the description I'll add a link where to buy RAM for this laptop. Well, that's all. You were on How Fix It, and see you guys next time.